everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today we're going to check out a brand new style by Henry Margu called Drew. Drew is a delightfully fun, modern, razored, pixie style cut with a twist you're not going to want to miss. Coming up. Please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Always trying to bring you the best wig and wig life content available. This wig was sent to me by Wig Studio One, so I could review it for you today before you decide to buy. It can be found at Wig Studio One. All of the product links are below the video. So if you go below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. It'll be labeled Henry Margu's Drew. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing and more detail. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. So, okay, what's the twist? It is a cute little fun, modern pixie, absolutely adorable with all of these shaggy layers. So here's the twist. This is petite. So we're used to Henry Margu offering their average cap size, which is very stretchy, roomy, and sometimes with that petite or petite average circumference, we struggle to get a really good fit with Henry Margu because they do run a little bit large. This one is true petite, guys, in every single measurement. I love that because a lot of times manufacturers will come out with a petite size, but they're not really petite. You still have to cinch them in as far as they can go. They're still baggy cap. So I'm not really looking at those as being petite, more petite average, I suppose. This one is ideal, I would say, from a 20-inch circumference up through about 21.25, which is my circumference. I wish I could buy every single wig with a cap just like this. So it is petite in all measurements. All the way around, I'm 21.25 inches. It fits me like a glove. From front to back, I'm 13 inches. It fits me like a glove, no baggy cap. And from ear to ear, around 12 inches, it fits great. The ear tabs are in the perfect position in front of my ear. This is really an oddity for me to get such a great fit. So I'm really hoping that Henry Margu continues this trend in presenting some actual petite style wigs for all of us petite headed tribe out there. So let's talk about this style. Let's head into the color real quick though first, this 24H18. This is a light, kind of a neutral brown with some light gold blonde highlighting. It's very dynamic. All of this texture just really brings out the highlight, and they tend to bring out the beauty of each style. So let's chat about these measurements. So right around a 5-inch fringe. Now that's hard to get because 5 inches should take it down to about here on me, and I'm not picking that up. Maybe a couple. But what's happening here, there's so much angled cutting, layering, and texturizing that you're not getting any thick, obvious measurements anywhere. It's just all layered, all textured, in all different directions. It's stunning. So about a 5-inch fringe all the way around. It nicely scoots right over the eyebrow in either direction. You could even take it up to a full straight across look above the eyebrow, depending on your measurements. Of course, that could be trimmed if necessary. It does kind of go with a forward perpetual movement. So it does sweep over the forehead and back over the eyebrow. Now in the back, right around a 2 to 3 inch crown here, and all of this layering, anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches, culminates in about a 1.75 inch nape. Now this nape is really shorn, but I'm letting my actual nape hair grow just a little bit, and it seems very sufficient to cover up that longer hairline. And I think that's because I'm getting such a great fit on this cap. It fits snugly below that occipital bone, which keeps the nape true around the nape, and it does not move. I barely sense that this cap is on. It weighs just under 2 ounces. Super lightweight, extreme light density. There is going to be some permatease on the top because you do have a lace front and then an open top, sides, and back. So we're going to be seeing some permatease on the top just to add to the lift of the style and also to cover up any wefting and so forth. But it gives you a little bit of profile as well. I just want to take my fingers and just rake through and bring out all of this texture. But you can also wear it up and over. So if you want a more sophisticated look for evening, all you have to do is take it away from the face. Let's take a look. So that lace front does run temple to temple. Each one of these fibers is very fine, light, and wispy. So you can definitely take advantage of that lace front. This is regular synthetic fiber. It's not heat friendly, but you can still use the heat from your hands and all of your hand maneuvers here just to bring out all of this texture. And if you want a little product in there to sustain the hold, you certainly could do that. I'm just in love with these. Pixies always work wonderfully with glasses, and Drew by Henry Margu is no exception. It fits perfectly between the ear and the ear tab here. So let's go ahead and just move this around. Let's just have some fun with this. I'm just going to use my hands to create some different looks. No product or anything, just to inspire you to style your pixies. There's a lot of versatility here despite the shorter layers. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you right back here real soon on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.